Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Skout. If you'd like to add people on your Skout friend list, then keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Tap open your Skout application first and sign into your account if necessary. From the home screen of Skout, go and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner. Now, from the expanded menu, you'll be able to find an option that says Find User by Skout ID. You'll need to type in a Skout ID in order to find people and add them to your friend list. Tap on the Find User by Skout ID option, and now in the search box at the top, type in your Skout ID in the text box and make your search. Your Skout ID will somehow look like this. After you type in an ID, you'll be able to find the person that you are looking for in the search result. Now you can simply tap on the favorite icon to add them to your contact. Once you tap on favorite, you'll be able to add them on your favorites list. You'll find the favorite list of the person that you've added by tapping on the hamburger menu at the top left and then tap on favorites. All the list of the people that you have added as your friend will be displayed on this favorites list, and that is how you can easily add friends on Skout. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.